So tech debt is something that almost broke my entire project. And honestly, it happened because of one sentence I kept telling myself, which is, I will fix it later. At first, it feels harmless, like you build things fast, you ship features, you feel motivated. But slowly, those small shortcuts start stacking, like it adds one by one. And one day, they all come back together. I never really felt the weight of tech debt until one recent experience. One morning, I decided to add a small feature to my app. I wanted to create a developer program, nothing huge, just a simple addition. I thought it would take a few hours. So I opened the code, ran the project, and I saw the payment flow is broke. So the first problem is the Supabase client I used earlier was outdated. So I replaced it. After replacing it, I started getting token and auth related issues. So I fixed that. Then suddenly some database tables refuse to insert or update. It's because of row level security issues. So I fixed them one by one. And after that, the storage started feeling like file uploads, folder structure, and access rule. Everything began to start throwing me errors. To fix storage, I realized I had to change entire folder structure. At this point, I was exhausted. What started as a simple feature slowly became fixing old decisions, like patching mistakes. In the end, I just added temporary patch and told myself I will fix everything properly. So because of all these things, I was frustrated and I felt demotivated. The code was not bad, but it was carrying old decisions that no longer match the current needs. Most people think tech debt only happens to big teams or huge companies, and it happens to every developer, especially when you work on real projects where timelines, ideas, and requirements keep changing. Tech debt mostly appears when we build fast, when we try to get things working quickly, when a project grows from a small experiment to a real product. It is not a sign of bad coding, it is a sign of progress. It's basically your project telling you it needs some cleaning before you stack more features on top of it. So the solution is not fixing everything at once because that will drain you. When you are adding a new feature, add a quick patch if needed. Then plan cleanup separately. Write down the areas that need fixing, like payment flow, storage structure, authentication, folder structure, everything. Fix the biggest pain area first. The part that breaks often. Refactor in small pieces. You do not need to rewrite everything. You have to document your flows, payment, storage, and auth. Tech debt is something that never fully ends. Even when you clean everything today, it will appear again later. That day, when everything started breaking, I felt like bad developer. But later I realized this is what every developer goes through. Tech debt is not a failure, it's a signal. So you do not have to panic when things break. Do not try to fix everything at once. Plan it, clean slowly, and then rebuild your confidence piece by piece. Your code is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be improved over time. And if you want to see more content like this, you can check out my blogs or you can also subscribe to my channel.